Alright, so I'm back to this project, the bridge. I started on it, but today I have to finish it. I've got the car jack here. Got to move it down to here. This is the trail. You can see where the other side is, right here, into this area. I've got these chains, got a chainsaw, ear protection, and this is for the bark around the tree right here. We're going to use that tree to pull it. I'm going to jack it up first and block it, so we can see what we're going to get done here. What I want to do is drop it onto this so I can slide it with the chain and the come along there, and I'm going to have to chop these legs off right there. I don't know when I want to do that because they're useful right now for moving it, but we also have to pull it back this way. That's the challenge. So I think I'm going to take the ends off of this right here, but leave a little bit left to work with. So I'm adding a new tool to the game, a little sledgehammer. Ready to cut these ends off. Yeah, so the chain is needs to be upgraded. I need a new chain on that. We got those cut though. So this is our setup. I had to put a bolt through here to get that on. We've got to come along to the tree and a little bit of padding for the bark. Hopefully that helps. Alright, gotta make a decision here. I'm gonna lose that block over there. I hope it sets right onto that piece I cut. Yep. Alright. We gotta jack it up again. Get the jack under that. The big bar, big piece of steel I had, metal pole. Push this up and got it. Got that under there better. Got that jacked up. We can move those over now and we'll start wrenching again. Alright. Go from here. Oh, it's not ratcheting. What's that? There we go. I want to get that jack out of there. The setup works pretty good. We got it onto another 6x6. I'm going to move this over again. The thing is we want to get this straight now so we can pull it out a bit. This is my setup on this part. We wrapped it around and then brought it up through the center here. Put the bolt back through. And man, after working with this come along deal, it's like it's not as finicky in its way. With the coil, the cable all tangled up at one point. Okay, we're gonna be pulling this whole thing, I hope. Oop, we lost her. Alright, we gotta jack it back up. This is an ash tree, I believe, yep. And these are the ash borer beetles. It's full of them. See, it's going into his little thing. There's little holes all through here. I wish we could just kill them all, but the only thing, we've lost almost all our ash trees around here. We gotta burn all the wood now. good firewood. That's too bad we lost the trees. So here we go again, we're all set up. We want to pull it now towards us. We're almost straightened up. I don't want to lose it again though. So it looks like I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to block that up again. So what I want to do is go to the other side and start blocking this up. It looks like I'm getting some space because we're pulling this end over too. So we got a little space under there. Should go get away. Yeah. All right. Get this back here, maybe. Another factor in this area, we've got poison ivy starting to come up over there, so I gotta be careful. Soap and water, if you catch it quick enough, works fine. But is that it? No. I know I've got some over there though. They're little. This isn't poison ivy either. You just gotta be careful with that stuff. We're coming along now, we're pulling it. Alright. I moved it from this area right here all the way over to there, using that come along system with chains and the block. So now I've got it pulled out as far as I can the way I have this set up, and I think that's going to be good. We're going to use this old stump right here, which is still fairly intact, and we're going to chain right to where the board is basically, and we're going to pull it all the way over to where it needs to be, right there. Then we're going to have to chain this back over to here, probably using that tree. Set up on the other side. Everything went well except for my shirt getting stuck in the thing and tearing it open, tearing it up. I'm gonna pull this over. I think I might have to tighten the lower chain there because we might be rolling it. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. We got a long way to go. And a short time to get there. No, we got all day long. Drag and pull on that. We ran out of cable, so I'll shorten the chain, do the final. And one key thing though is when we put this end back to where it goes here, is we want this to be fairly level. We don't want to be going uphill or anything like that. So I'm going to coordinate this pretty well, and these are going to be cut off. These limb parts right here, they'll be cut off because we just want that basically. We pretty much have it in position over on the other side. We're going to drag it down though. I'm going to take a break, and I think I'm going to get a new chain for cutting off the rest of this. So we're going to cut these and then drag it back more, and then put it into position. Oh yeah, so we're replacing the chain on the chainsaw, and might as well give it a little cleanup while we're at it. That's what always happens. This is cool. It has it's the Roll-O-Matic E, and this has like just instead of using your wrench to loosen and then tighten, it's got like an adjustment thing right here that you use, which is pretty cool. So that's why that spiral's on here and stuff like that. So picked up another chain yesterday, and we'll get back to this project. So I am going to keep the old chain just in case I learn how to resharpen them. But to make it easy, I'll just put this on. And this is the sharpening instructions for this chain right on the bar. Looks like I don't really have to flip the bar. Sometimes you do. but this does not look correct. Darn it. Oh my god. This sucks. Shit. I thought it was a 16-inch. Blast. Jesus, like, yep. Okay, we got the new rig set up. We're gonna pull it in just a little ways. I think like 2 feet maybe. This thing's in my way. It's starting to fall down in there a little bit. Let's see what we're going here. It's gonna be coming over here, right from there to there. I think with the pulling this way, it's gonna make that fall down in a little bit. So it might be almost right on. Alright. Might be almost right on with that. Maybe not with the camera. Alright. Yeah, so I bought this chain a while back from a garage sale. So make sure these are even. Right about there. I bought it for $5. And it's just made me a couple $100. If I didn't have it, I'd have to go buy one. I know they're expensive to buy. So we're hooking up this next rig to go to that small tree over there. Now we're gonna pull it over. So we got our pole right there. There's that. I'll bring this over to the other tree. I already lost one of my connector thing, the good one, and somewhere around here I gotta get the big magnet out and find it. I just don't see it. There we go. That other one. We had some rain earlier, and now it's getting ready to maybe rain again. It's kind of looks like a circle pattern. So get this hooked up. That's quite a ways. I hope we make it. I think we're pushing it. Yeah, I had to run out. It took another hour to run all the way back to town and grab the right chain for the chainsaw. Slowed me down, man. There's this. Get that come along over here. Hopefully we have just enough. But yeah, we're a little bit short here, so we're adding this. I'm glad I kept this chain here. Put this one on. We'll hook it up. See, where's the center one? Right here. There we go. Damn thing is malfunctioning or something. Oh, I gotta get that. Most of it's on there. All right. Let's see what we've got here. Alright, get this over. This on there good. I think we can finally take this end piece off. Now get that out of the way. Pull the jack out. I'm gonna do a little more chainsaw work. This is our next setup. We got a little rails. Slide these pieces on. We're almost there. So this is the next setup. You know, I really should have kept that little leg on there. I'm gonna have to block it up on this side. But what we're doing over there, we're gonna pull it down into that pocket, and I've got a board in there for it to ride on. I'm gonna use this sledge to get it in there more, and just so we can try, we gotta level it out. Okay, let's see what we got going here. Let's undo this. I think I've got it. Probably should. Still up on that hill a little bit. Should pull it over a little more. There we go. I think we got that. There. I'm gonna have to do something. So I've got that side over there. Okay, wait. I've got that side over there where I want it. This has to be moved over just enough. I'm digging out a little section for this big area to fall into. So here we go. There we go. I think we got it. Yep. Just a little bit of fine tuning. It's not shaky. Sweet. All right, that's the project. We're done. Got to clean up now.